Everyone, good morning. It's G here, Gayon here in California. It's Valentine's Day 2018. It's Wednesday, February 14th. So this morning, it's morning time here. I'll be making scrambled eggs. So I'll be showing you guys, stick around, I'll be showing you guys shortly how to make those scrambled eggs, okay? So if this is your, if you're a beginner, maybe you've never made scrambled eggs before, I'm gonna walk you through from the beginning how to get the eggs started and how to get those eggs scrambled. Very easy, guys. Healthy way to start your breakfast. Protein, eggs, wonderful way. So anyways, I'll be on shortly to show you guys how to make some scrambled eggs. Okay, guys, so I have everything here ready for the scrambled eggs. So if you never made scrambled eggs, here we go. So you take your eggs. Of course, I have a big bowl here because I'm making a lot of eggs because I have a huge household here. Anyways, first thing you do, you take your eggs and you crack it in a bowl like this. You just crack your eggs in a bowl. I'm gonna you take your fork, you scramble it, you blend it all together, mix it all up, and I'm gonna add a little bit of milk because I have 10 eggs here, so I'm having a fourth of milk and pour it in here because the milk makes your egg not so dry. So that's all I like to add milk to my eggs. So all you do is you add your milk to your eggs. So if you're only doing 1 or 2 eggs, you don't need that much milk. You just need like a drop of milk in there. But because I have 10 eggs here, that's why I put a fourth. So all you do, that's it. So you mix the egg with the milk so the eggs are ready, and then I'm adding additional things to my eggs. So I have a little dish here of onions, green, white onions, red and green bell peppers, mushrooms. I have tomatoes. I have some jalapeno peppers here in this little bowl here. I got some garlic and olive oil to put in the pan and get it started. So I'll be back shortly. So now I'm gonna pour the olive oil in the pan, get that hot. Then I'm gonna start adding the ingredients, and then the egg will go in last. Okay, so I got some olive oil here in a frying pan. Okay, so I'm heating up the olive oil, and now because I'm adding these ingredients, I'm gonna cook the ingredients first and then put the scrambled eggs in last. But if you don't like, you don't have to, your scrambled eggs, however you make it how you like it. You don't have to add all this stuff to it. You can just, if you didn't have any other ingredients, you can just take your scrambled egg, put it right there in the olive oil, and cook it, and then just add some cheese. A lot of people like to add cheese, shredded cheese to their eggs, and that's it. But it all depends on how you like it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put the onions and bell peppers in the frying pan. Onions and bell peppers. See? Get these, I'm gonna caramelize these. Get these sauteed and caramelized. So there's the first ingredients. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'll just dump everything all in at once, guys. So get these, just to saute everything together. So the tomatoes, I'm going to saute with the onions and bell peppers and mushrooms. I like to make my eggs this way because it's more healthy. This is a way for me to get my veggies in, early in the morning with the eggs. It's a great way to get your veggies in and mix it with your eggs. If I have some spinach, I'll add some spinach to this, but I don't have any spinach right now. Usually I do add spinach, or whatever green veggies you like. I'm gonna lower the stove a little because this is high. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the jalapeno peppers. I like my stuff to be a little spicy, so I'm gonna add my jalapeno peppers, add my garlic, and that's it. Now I'm going to stir this all up, make this saute for a little bit, and the last step is to take the scrambled eggs and pour it in. Okay, everyone, so everything is ready for the scrambled eggs now. So now I'm going to pour the eggs into the pan with the sauteed tomatoes and peppers and onions, etc. So here we go. Pour that in. Okay, that's all you do. So take everything and mix it in with the eggs. And the best way to make your scrambled eggs is you want to make sure you lower the stove on low, so it takes its time and it cooks. So I'm gonna lower the stove, and that's it. So this will be ready soon. Be back in a sec. I'll show you when it's all done. That's it to it, guys. Very simple to make scrambled eggs. Great thing about this, you can add your favorite veggies to this. Make it a very healthy breakfast, and it's all good. So be back. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I just came to check the eggs. So all you do, just scramble egg. You just come back. Again, it's cooking at a very low heat. You just come back and you occasionally stir it. You know, make sure you stir everything, and just wait for the egg to cook. Once all the liquid, all this liquidy stuff is gonna cook nice into your eggs. So once everything is nicely cooked, it's ready. Okay, so I'm just stirring, and I'll be back. It should be ready soon. I'll be back and show you guys when it's done. Okay, so that's it. The egg is done. This is, you know, it's cooked now, and that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, more of my tips of showing you how to cook healthy. It's all about eating healthy, having a healthy lifestyle. Certainly subscribe, and I'll see you around in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and happy Valentine's Day to you all. Have a great day.